Good morning, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams on this thoughtful Tuesday, and we are under a flood warning, and this is for Bibb County here. That little square box that you see right there, that's because the Ocmugee River is really up there level-wise in terms of flood. I believe it's, when I last checked, it was like 21 feet above where it should be, so there's some restrictions there if you're headed down to the park. This overall green area of our viewing area, this is a flood watch that we're under. That's going to last until 8 p.m. tonight, and that's because we have showers and storms moving through the area. Now, taking a look at our 41 NBC Skyview cameras brought to you by Volume Chevrolet and the Piedmont Macon Medical Center, you see most of our temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s, with the exception of Dublin, which is at 74 degrees. I will have your full forecast coming up a little bit later on in the newscast as 41 Daybreak starts right now. The rain won't go away. It's here to stay for quite a while. I will talk about how long we expect these rainy conditions to last after the break. Welcome back. We are tracking some showers that are moving mainly from the south to the east, mainly headed toward the northeast direction here, some of which are a little bit on the heavier side. Now, we also are under a flood watch for our overall viewing area, but this little square box that you see right where Macon is, that is a flood warning, and that's going to be in effect until Friday at 10 p.m. and we'll talk about that in a second. Now, looking live at our 41 Skyview camera over Forsyth, brought to you by Volume Chevrolet, you can see that it's some rain that's on this camera lens already, but it's also, we have cloudy conditions. It feels like 66. That dew point is at 64 and the humidity 94%. Now, the temperatures around the state already are in the mid to upper 60s, which is really below average where we should be. Now, we're looking at Athens at 66, Atlanta at 67, but also as you come out toward the eastern fringe, you have the warmer temperatures. Augusta is at 71, Savannah is at 76, and Albany at 75 degrees. Now, this is what you need to know. We have a flood warning in effect until 10 p.m. Friday for the Ocmugee River near Macon. We also are under a flood watch for northeast and East Georgia, and that's going to be extended until 8 p.m. tonight. Now, we also have below normal cool temperatures. That's going to stick around for another day. We're only expecting our highs to be in the 70s to low 80s. Now, out the door checklist, you're definitely going to need your rain gear today. Definitely the umbrella, the slicker, poncho, all that. You'll need it, definitely, because those showers will come down in waves. Now, looking at the rainfall totals over the 24-hour period, we have quite a bit here. We're looking anywhere from 3/4 of an inch up to about 2.5, almost 3.5 inches of rain. Milledgeville is at 3.4 inches of rain, so quite a bit of moisture has fallen. Now, for today, it's 81 degrees. That's our expected high. We expect some gusty showers and storms throughout the day. Now, the high temperatures will range in the upper 70s to low 80s, and the severe threat mainly is a 0 out of 5, and that's because of the fact, again, flooding rains, because of the heavy amount of rain that we've had over the last few days. The ground is saturated at this point, so if we get any wind gusts, at least 20 to 30 miles per hour, that can topple some trees, so you got to be aware of that. Wind speeds are ranging anywhere from 2 to 7 miles per hour, and putting that futurecast into motion, you can see we get a little bit of a break by 12 noon, but we get another round of showers and storms by 5 p.m. I'll have your 7-day forecast in about 10 seconds. Here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Again, we're looking at a significant round of showers and storms throughout the area. We'll get up to about 81 degrees. Wednesday and Thursday, we keep showers and storms around as the temperatures go up to the low 80s. Friday, we still remain wet, temperatures in the mid 80s. And by the end of the weekend, we should be rebounding up to the upper 80s, maybe tapping at the door of 90.